Alright guys, so I'm actually here at a fireworks stand and I'm buying enough stuff to at least tear it up. I didn't bring a backpack or anything or no way to carry it, so this might be a little difficult to what my capabilities are, but we'll figure it out. Alright. Guess I'm gonna go see what they have. Alright, tip to yourself. If you go to a fireworks stand, I'd recommend bringing a backpack or something because I'm carrying this on my wrist. I mean, it's no wheelies.
With her finger and her thumb in the shape of an L on her forehead. Well, the years start coming and they don't stop coming. Fed to the rules and I hit the ground running. Didn't make sense not to live for fun. Your brain gets smart, but your head gets dumb.
Oh, bro. And the bag ripped open because I didn't have a backpack, and so I picked up all the fireworks. I thought I could make it. I had it double bagged and everything, and then it just ripped. Oh shit, right at the building. Who does that? Nacho.
I could never get it, no matter how fucking hard I tried. Like, I even tried, like, doing stand-up bounce, like, fucking shining, like, all the way down there.
What's up, man?
Man, I miss my 300.
You used to have one?
Yeah. I had so much more fun on my like I love my 600, but I had so much more fun on my 300.
Yeah. Oh, we should have seen who was faster. Oh well. It's like. Oh yeah, it does shoot flames. So get behind the Mustang. Oh wait, I think he wants to race. He does? Got whooped by a 300. Thumbs up, man. Good race. There you go. Dang, for a second I thought I was pulling and then you just took off. Alright, so we thought it would be a good idea to go into the lake. I'm actually out here in my jeans and everything, so yeah, me and him are about to get into the lake. We didn't plan on swimming, but we felt the water and it felt really good, so.
What's that, dude?
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Ocean man, take me by the hand, lead me to the land that you understand. Ocean man, the voyage to the corner of the globe is a real trip. Ocean man, the crust of a tan man, and by the sand.
fireworks.
He's got fireworks. Good for me. I just can't believe I went riding and then jumped in with jeans and everything.
Why not?
Yeah, that's awesome.
Words.
Oh, two at once.
Oh, snap. Holy balls.
They're saying shoot more fireworks. Ah. They said do some motorcycle tricks.
Is he about to wheelie?
Yeah. Oh, he's gonna go do a burnout. They're chatting him on.
It's time to go, stuff again.
That was kind of weird. We had a boat cheering us on, and then this guy showed up pretty cool with the fireworks, and then this guy's probably calling the cops on us, and then yeah, so we're gonna head out. It's starting to storm over there, right back there, really bad. So I think it's a good time to call it quits.
No, you wanna see me naked, naked, naked.
Oh, I just got an email. Great. Alright, yeah, so at this point it's just test to see if my microphone's still working. And yeah, you just chill, you get hit by rain, you watch out for puddles, go really slow in a turn, even if the car's behind. We don't care about them, as long as I get where I'm going. Yeah, just chill. What if it just started hailing?